As the demand for clean energy rises, more homeowners are investing in solar power as a long-term solution. But with that surge comes a natural concern. What happens to solar panels after they've reached the end of their life cycle? In other words, are solar panels recyclable? And if so, how sustainable is the process? This blog will explore what happens to solar panels after 25 or 30 years of service, what recycling options exist, and why solar energy remains an eco-friendly choice from installation to disposal. What are solar panels made of? To understand solar panel recycling, it helps to first understand their composition. Most solar panels are made from silicon wafers, semiconductors that convert sunlight into electricity, aluminum frames, glass covering, plastic encapsulants, small amounts of rare or heavy metals such as silver or lead. These materials are not only valuable but also recyclable, though some are easier to recover than others. Can solar panels be recycled? Yes, solar panels can be recycled, but the process is still evolving. The good news is that over 90% of a typical crystalline silicon panel's materials can be recovered. Glass and aluminum make up about 80% of the panel's mass and are among the easiest to recycle using conventional methods. In Cincinnati, OH, and across the country, recycling infrastructure is expanding to handle the expected influx of solar panels reaching the end of their service life. While large-scale solar recycling is not yet as widespread as other forms of electronic waste processing, several states and private initiatives are leading the charge. How does solar panel recycling work? Recycling solar panels involves separating out reusable materials through mechanical or chemical processes. Here's how it works. 1. Removal of the aluminum frame. This is fully recyclable and often reused in new products. 2. Separation of the glass. About 95% of the glass can be cleaned and recycled. 3. Thermal or chemical processing. Used to break down the encapsulant and extract silicon, copper, and rare metals. 4. Reuse or purification. Silicon wafers can be melted, purified, and used in new solar products. Newer technologies, including advanced thermal recovery and robotic disassembly, are making the recycling process faster and more cost-effective. Is solar recycling economically viable? At present, the economic incentive for recycling panels is modest. While the aluminum and glass are straightforward to repurpose, recovering small quantities of silver or silicon is still costly. That said, the value of recycled materials is expected to increase as raw material prices rise and solar adoption accelerates. Leading solar panel manufacturers and organizations are investing in recycling research. BBB-accredited A+ rating and Atlas Pro Plus certified contractors, for example, are among the industry names advocating for circular solar solutions and end-of-life planning. What happens if solar panels aren't recycled? When not recycled, solar panels could end up in landfills, where they may leach small amounts of hazardous substances. While modern panels are generally considered safe, mass disposal without proper processing can contribute to environmental issues. Fortunately, many states and solar companies are putting regulations and recycling programs in place. Some manufacturers even offer take-back programs, ensuring that panels are safely dismantled or repurposed at the end of their life cycle. The environmental perspective. Despite concerns about end-of-life disposal, solar energy remains one of the most environmentally friendly energy sources available. Over a 25 to 30-year lifespan, a solar panel generates 10 to 20 times more energy than was used to produce it. The emissions avoided by using solar far outweigh the impact of its production and disposal. Additionally, companies like Solar Panel Installation Cincinnati use trusted brands that prioritize sustainability in both manufacturing and long-term product stewardship. Conclusion. Are solar panels recyclable? Absolutely. While the industry is still scaling its recycling infrastructure, the potential to recover materials and reduce waste is strong. By choosing high-quality panels and working with certified installers, homeowners ensure their systems are both energy efficient and environmentally responsible from start to finish. Read also our blog, Is buying solar panels. Outright a smart move? The post, "Are solar panels recyclable?" first appeared on Solar Panel Installation Cincinnati,